Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to keep screen on while looking. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Press on Smart Motion. Click on Smart Screen On Off. If you want to keep screen on while looking, you just have to turn off the button of Raise to Wake. That's it. So this is how to keep screen on while looking. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.